After finishing an application, the next step in software development is program deployment, the process of preparing and distributing the software so it can run on other systems. It includes compiling the code, packaging necessary files, and ensuring all dependencies are included. The .NET Publish command is commonly used to generate the required files for execution on a target machine. Proper deployment ensures that the application runs correctly across different environments, including various operating systems.